Are you a fan of ChatGPT, but looking for alternatives to explore even more AI chatbots? Well, you're in luck. In this exciting YouTube video, we'll introduce you to 5 incredible ChatGPT alternatives that offer unique features and capabilities. Let's dive in and see what these AI chatbots have in store. First on our list is Microsoft Bing AI, a ChatGPT alternative that boasts a revamped search engine powered by the upgraded GPT-4 model, also known as the Prometheus model. With its chat mode, Bing AI allows you to ask contextual questions, providing accurate information and even offering features like trip planning and recipe searches. While the responses could be faster, Bing AI is undoubtedly a fantastic alternative to explore. Next up, we have Perplexity AI, another ChatGPT alternative trained on OpenAI API. Offering similar functionality to ChatGPT, Perplexity AI stands out by citing the sources it uses for answers, ensuring credibility and reliability. Its minimalistic layout and strong responses make it a compelling option for AI enthusiasts. Plus, it's entirely free to use, making it a must-try alternative. We couldn't ignore the curiosity around Google Bard, an experimental conversational AI powered by Google's Palm 2 LM. Bard has recently been opened to the public, and we're excited to see how it performs. As Google brings generative AI to search, Bard's potential could be a game changer. For those seeking an expansive ChatGPT alternative, Chatsonic is a top pick. Built on ChatGPT, but with internet access, Chatsonic has broader knowledge and even remembers past conversations. With 16 different personas to converse with and the option for voice interactions, Chatsonic brings variety and flexibility to your AI experience. HuggingChat is an excellent open source alternative based on the Meta AI language model. Despite having fewer parameters than ChatGPT, HuggingChat performs impressively, allowing you to perform a variety of functions from writing blog posts to generating recipes. Its internet access gives it an edge in providing accurate information. Want to experiment with different language models before building your own AI tool? OpenAI Playground is the perfect platform to try. While not meant for everyday users, it offers advanced customization options and a demo version of ChatGPT's outputs. Play around with this versatile tool and experience ChatGPT level accuracy and responsiveness. Theory closing our list is Claude 2, an upgraded AI chatbot backed by Google. Though using proprietary AI techniques instead of the traditional language model, Claude excels in natural conversations and offers a range of features, including content and code writing, riddles, and jokes. While limited by its data and availability, Claude 2 is a helpful and honest alternative to explore. And there you have it, the top 7 amazing ChatGPT alternatives to explore. Expand your AI journey by trying out these powerful alternatives. Let us know in the comments which one you're most excited to explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more AI-related content.